Calcutta High Court has directed the West Bengal Police to provide security for an interfaith marriage in Howrah, observing that adult citizens have the right to choose their life partners. Justice Saugata Bhattacharya ordered police protection for the couple's wedding, scheduled for July 29th, after they approached the court alleging opposition from local residents. The court directed the police to ensure that no untoward incident takes place during the marriage ceremony. The High Court observed that there was no legal obstacle to the marriage as both petitioners were adults and had the right to choose their partners regardless of their faith. During the hearing, the couple's counsel said they feared they could be prevented from getting married because of tension in the locality. The state government informed the court that local police had already taken steps to maintain peace. Howrah Rural Superintendent of Police Amit Verma also said action was being taken in line with the High Court's direction. The court directed the inspector in charge of Uluberia Police Station to submit a compliance report within 7 days after the wedding. The matter will next be heard on August 10th.